One very interesting thing about pricing on accessory dwelling units is that they typically, the per square foot price, because a lot of people ask, well, what's my per square foot price? And it depends on so many different factors. Are you going to be doing it yourself, DIY? Are you going to be doing it as an owner builder, where you're contacting all the subcontractors yourself and having to coordinate all the materials and do a lot of work? Or are you going to hand it off to a general contractor and have them do all of that? That's what we're doing here on our property here in Burbank. And the interesting thing, which this is about, is it's not funny, but it's how the price goes, the per square foot goes higher the smaller that it gets. So as an example, this little tough shed that we had built, the price per square foot, if it were an ADU, may be close to $400. But if it was, maybe double in size or triple in size, the price per square foot could possibly decrease by 20 or 50%. And let's talk about that. The reason is that if you wanted to do something really, really small, you still have to get all the permitting and all the engineering has to be done on that accessory dwelling unit. And all the work is basically the same. And having to get either yourself to get a concrete pad poured, which we happen to have, there's no electricity to this. But if your accessory dwelling unit was small and you needed to have all the utilities connections to it, made to it, it still involves a lot of work. So even though the price itself is going to be much, much lower, but if you are only relying on the price per square foot as a determining factor, you might want to rethink that, because it's just the nature of the beast. The smaller that the ADU is, the higher the price per square foot goes. And also it applies same way with either Title 24, Title 25 construction. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help. Talk to you soon.